Happy Friday, everybody. This is Miss Shorter again, checking in with you guys. I just want to go over today's lesson. It is a catch-up day, which means that you should be going back into the planner and looking at this week. So if you click on this week, and you can go in and look at what you were supposed to do March 16th, March 17th, which was Tuesday, and then the block day. You should be at this point up to page 106 in American Born Chinese, and you should have 7 entries total in your identity theme tracker chart. It lists the pages that you should have for American Born Chinese, and it should also have 1 entry for fish cheeks and 1 entry for the writing on the wall. So if you have not completed up to page 106 in American Born Chinese, and you do not have the 7 entries ready to go for American Born Chinese and for the textbook stories, that is what you are working on for today, for the catch-up day. If you have read to page 106 and you have completed the 7 entries, then you are good to go and you get to have the day off. Please send me questions through It's Learning Messenger. I'm here all day and honestly haven't heard from very many of you, which is concerning to me at this point. So please, please, please send me questions, concerns. Make sure you're staying on track. Make sure you've read to page 106 and that you've completed your entries. I hope you guys have a great weekend and I will talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.